Another method you can use, ice. Now look at that. Look at that, warping again. Welcome back, Griddle, Cook, Eat, and More. Today we got us a new toy per se. So as any of you followed my Napoleon griddle videos, you noticed on my second video, when I first cooked on it, it warped twice on me. Well, come to find out, that was a pretty big issue with a lot of the griddles, and Napoleon immediately came out with a new redesigned top for it. Well, it took forever to get. I want to say I shot that video back in August or something like that when I got the griddle, somewhere around that time. Anyways, I just got this griddle top just the beginning of January. Finally had time to get it out. So this is a new design griddle top. We're going to take a look at it, compare it to the old griddle top, see what the differences are, weigh it, see if it's heavier, more heavy duty, and what have you. So let's get this thing open and take a look. All right, here we go. Now it looks to me pretty much the same. It's got a spot to put your little warming rack over there, little notches, but it does have a couple holes in it, and I'm not sure if my other one has that or not. We'll find out. And let's get this thing flipped over here because that's really where the design change is. All right, so there we go. They got the X bracing. Now my old one it goes straight across, and we're going to get that one out here real quick and get it set down and compare it to this one. Because one thing I want to do is I want to weigh both of them and see if they made this thing actually heavier duty or thicker or whatever. So let me get that other griddle out real quick, and then we'll get them next to each other and kind of get a comparison. I already see a problem. All right, so before I get this other one out, as I was looking at this thing, we got an issue. Looks like it got damaged. It got damaged in transit. So if you look, you got a little corner piece here. Got another corner piece here for it sits on. We got one over there. And then, oh, look at this. You got a broken one. My little piece. The little piece got broken. Guess what? Now I got to have Napoleon send me a third griddle top, or second new one per se. But while we got it out, let's get the other one out real quick, and at least I want to weigh them, so kind of see if there's any difference there. But yeah, give me a second. All right, so there you go. There's the old style. It had a little brace going across there, and then it had these other 4 braces. But this thing would warp up. It'd warp up in the corner. It did it twice on me the first time I was using it. And then we got the X brace in here. All right, let's weigh these things real quick. Let's see if they made any difference in weight. All right, so here's the original one here, sitting at 29.7.8. All right, let's weigh the other one. And there you have it. You can see it, 29.9. Pretty much identical griddle. They just changed the bracing on the bottom. All right, so you can see here. So this rack, it's got, actually, if you can see on the back here, it's got a little notch there. And then this one does not have it. And then the little hole there is notched back where that one isn't. So you can take this rack and fold it like that, so you can get it up out of the way while you're cooking. Which that's a pretty cool idea, because I would always take my rack off if I was cooking a lot of food, you know, depending on what I'm making. It was usually in my way for the most part. But there you have it. That's the new designed griddle top, and hopefully the new models are getting that right now. And maybe something, if you're looking at buying one, make sure it's got the new updated top in it. If you go to I bought mine online, so I wouldn't know, but maybe at the time, none of the Napoleon dealers had any of these in stock when I bought it. So maybe they have them in stock now. And you could check on that, but that's one thing to check on. So this top originally warped on me 2 times in that first video. And ever since then, it's never warped, which is a good thing. And then I had a Blackstone like that too. It warped one good time, and then after that, for years, it never warped again. Sometimes maybe that metal has just got to get tempered or whatever. I don't know. I do hear people complaining that theirs will warp every cook. That's a problem. Unfortunately, I mean, I could live with this griddle top. But if they got a new one out, I'd rather have the new design one. However, it's got a broken tab, so we really can't test it today. So we're going to conclude this video. I'm going to contact Napoleon, have him send me another one out, and once we get my next new one, we'll get it on the griddle and fire it up. Kind of do the same things I did in that first video, and then see if this thing's going to warp on me or not, or is it going to be better? We'll find out. Stay tuned. And hopefully it doesn't take like 3 months to get this griddle top, or however long it took to get this one. But yeah, so I will be contacting them, getting that thing sent out. But other than that, please subscribe, like, share. If you got a hype button, hit that hype button. Helps grow the channel. And until next time, I'm out.